Right, so here we're going to use the sander to do a chamfer on the end grain here. We've already used the sander to make the ends of our timber completely flat. We did that using the guide set to 90 degrees, and then after we did that we used a marking gauge to create the detail for the chamfer to show us where we're going to do it. Now the guide on the sander has been adjusted to 45 degrees. I wouldn't do this yourself, I would get the teacher to set it to 45 degrees when you need to use it. The guide goes into the slot like we can see here, and it will slide backwards and forwards. And what it means is it will send the timber towards the sander at the exact angle we want, 45 degrees, so it will wear off material and give us a 45 degree chamfer. As always, wear your goggles. Wearing the goggles, and now I'm going to place my timber onto the sander, noticing that the slot in the timber is actually being presented towards the face of this guide, and the corner will be presented towards the sandpaper like shown here. I'm going to move the timber towards the sandpaper and at the same time move back and forwards. I'm going to check the whole time to see if I'm moving towards my lines, and I've moved towards my lines pretty quickly. Do it a tiny bit more, and there you go, that's that job done. Got a small amount of fluff there, just with the brain breaking off. I can clean that with sandpaper later on. I've now got the other end to do. So the exact same again. Not quite there. One more pass. I would say that's nearly done, but I can still see a tiny pencil line that might be difficult to get rid of, so I'm going to do it one more time. Just a tiny amount, and that's made that ready for drilling. So you'll see the one I showed at the start of this video had the holes drilled. Now we'll move on and show you how to drill these holes at the pillar drill. Cut.